the another theorem. Okay, this theorem is Lami's theorem. It states that if three concurrent forces, in first two laws we have studied in parallelogram and triangle, there are two concurrent forces needed. In third law of resolution, we studied that if more than two concurrent forces are occurring on the element, then we can find the resultant by using the law of resolution. In this theorem, it states that if three coplanar forces acting at a point be in equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle between the other two forces. Now, the equilibrium means if the resultant of a number of forces acting on a particle. Okay, if the resultant of a number of forces means number of forces are occurring on a particle, but the summation of that is 0, then the particle will be in equilibrium condition. Okay, so if three coplanar forces acting at a one point, let's consider this is a one point. In equilibrium means it will be in same. So first one is this P, another one is this Q, and another one is this R. Then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle, means each have their an angle. Let us assume this is alpha, let us assume that is beta, let us assume this is gamma. So proportional to the sine of the angle between other two, means if we need to find this, then this is proportional to the sine of angle between other two, means between Q and R. Means if we consider P, then it will be the proportional to the sine angle of other two. Other two means Q and R, means sine angle means sine gamma. Is equal to, if we consider Q, then it is proportional to the other two, sine beta. And if we consider R, then sine alpha. So the numericals of law of parallelogram and triangle we can solve by using that equation. Numerical resolution also we can solve by that equations, and the numerical of Lami's theorem we can solve by this equation. So let's make some quick revision. We have studied today about the force, types of force, coplanar, then resultant force, then law of parallelogram, the equation was r under root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Tan alpha is equal to q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. Then law of triangle, then law of resolution. The equation was r is equal to under root of summation of h square plus summation of v square, and tan alpha is equal to mod of summation of v by summation of h, and then Lami's theorem. This is the equation. In another video, we will start solving the numericals based on this law, parallelogram, triangle, resolution, and Lami's theorem. Okay, I hope you all understand in today's topic. We will see in the next video. Okay.